I got that. I got that. I got it.
Oh
Bring it to the loopy. Courtney, make a random noise.
I'm not growling.
Do it. Do it. Do it. Do it. Do it.
Growl.
She can growl like in the House Bunny. Or whatever.
What name do you want me to say?
You say Rosie.
Say Brittany.
Brittany.
Yeah. It's cute. It's cute. I'm not cute. I can't do it. I can't do it. You can't?
Rosie, make a weird noise.
I'm gonna kill you. You just have a double chin.
Film it, film it.
Oh my God.
Justin. Yes. You have to.
Stop.
I can't believe I got a red one.
Justin has to make a weird noise so we can end the video.
You make a weird noise.
There you go.
Alright, my laugh right there. That should have been it.
You should see my eyes on there.
Eyes.
Can I have your number?
Do the whole impression, Erin. Do the whole
Oh,
impression.
Yvonne! That's a friend.
Little croissant.
You got a boyfriend? You got a boyfriend? You like my
Okay. That's hilarious.
I have to. No, wait, no.